Hello YouTube family, how are you all? I hope you all are very good. So I'm sorry for such a late video because मेरे exams चल रहे थे but now everything is done. So I'll get new videos for you every week. So yeah, for today we are having a beautiful topic which is a beautiful birthday or any anniversary card for a boy or your friend or your dad, like anyone who is a boy. So this is very beautiful. You have to try this. And yeah, now back to the shout out. So this week's shout out goes to Anjana Bharadwaj and Lavanya Sharma as well as Butterfly. Thank you so much guys for supporting. So if you also want to get a shout out, you have to just subscribe to my channel, like the video, and as well as comment if you want to. So yeah, now if you don't know how to subscribe, let me tell you. So below the video there is a red color subscribe button. You have to click on that and click on the notification bell as well so that you get all the notifications. So now let's get into the video.